Our soils feed us, but they are now 75% degraded because of our land use practices. Soil Your Scarf is a citizen science project for soil ecology in Ireland. We gather together to knit tiny scarves and learn about soil care. We then bury those scarves in whatever it is that we want to test, our gardens or our farmland. We can roughly gauge our soil biological activity by checking what remains after about 2 months. If the scarf is in bits, it's a good indication that there is a lot of biological activity. If it's still fairly intact though, it tells us there is more we can do to look after the health of our soil. Why do we use tiny scarves? Well, first, gathering together to knit and chat is a good way to make, relax, and learn about soil science. This do-it-yourself scientific measuring device is relatively inexpensive and can be made by anyone with basic knitting skills, or even just a willingness to learn. Second, we have a lot of wool in Ireland, but it doesn't have much value at the moment because of the excess of petroleum-based textiles worldwide. The problem with synthetic or plastic textiles is that they take hundreds of years to break down, leading to massive waste and pollution problems. Wool, on the other hand, is compostable. When wool textiles come to the end of their useful life, they can be fed to the soil to provide valuable nutrients and soil-building organic matter. But how does that process work? Soil animals. When we bury our scarves, first bacterial and fungal communities move in and start to eat up the wool. Then larger animals, called soil mesofauna, come and eat the bacteria and fungi. This whole process is what breaks down the fibers of the wool. We can then take the scarves and look at them under the microscope and see these animals as they go about their work, recording what kind of animals they are, how many there are, and how they are behaving. This gives us a lot of helpful information about positive changes we can make to look after our living soils. The Impetus program has been invaluable in supporting the project through guidance, networking, and mentor support. We are now better able to show our impact and plan for the next steps. We have a lot more work to do. Please visit soilyourscarf.ie to learn how you can get involved.